friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle and Bella, and we are doing a DIY for Bella today. Our project, this is Paul's with a Cause, and our hosts are Shabby Meets Bling, Up All Night DIY, and Our Gray House. Please check out their amazing channels and the playlist for all kinds of fun animal projects. Please check out Happy Tales on Facebook, and there's also a link in my description box so you can donate to help the animals at Happy Tales so they can rescue more animals. Here's what you need to make your dog. You need a yogurt container, fur in the color of your dog. If this is for the fluffy dogs, I'm doing a Yorkie, so I'm doing it this color. And also embellishments like bows, and we're doing Halloween, so Halloween bows and ribbon. You want to make a collar, or you can also do a triangle of fabric if you're going to do a bandana. First of all, you cut your fabric. You got to use a carpet knife unless you want a dog with a very bad groom. And I am the worst at cutting this. I cut it so slow. I did not film me cutting this, but I used a carpet knife and cut it so it goes around my yogurt container. Start by adding the glue all the way down your yogurt container. And then start to roll. And you want it where it's equal. You don't want to go all wonky. But you know I'm bad at that. And then you'll have this, which will need some glue, more glue on the inside, on the edge, right here. And then you'll have it like this, and you want like 2 inches of overlap. And you'll poke this down in. And it'll be like this. It looks like a furry monster, don't it? And then you go and look and see which is the best side. I think this is my best side. And out of your fur, cut 2 triangles. Like so. And you want it pretty much even. But as big as you think your doggy's ears are. If you think your doggy has really big ears, you can make them really big.
I'm not quite sure what you're asking about. Could you please clarify what you'd like me to do with the dog's ears? Are you trying to modify an image?
Okay, now just add that in.
I'm not sure what...
Okay, we'll add some glue on the edge of this little rectangle. And we'll poke that down in on this side. Okay, now we got this little tuft sticking out. You want a little tuft here, like right here. And you pick whatever bow you like. I think I'm going black and white, so I may pick this one. It's got a black cat on it. So we're gonna, and look, they're fighting in the background. They don't want that bow on. No bow for us, Mom. Okay, now it's time to add the nose in play. And his nose is going to be right there. And Bella has one little strip of gray. Instead of piecing together the fur, I'm going to just add her a collar that would cover up that piece of gray. If you don't want a collar, you could also add a bandana. Make sure her ears is not inside her collar. And get some of her floof out, because you know, the floof would be outside, some of the floof would be outside the collar. We don't want to cuddle up all of her pretty floof. And of course her eyes is covered because, you know, she needs a groom. There's our little Yorkie doggy. Little Belly. My little Bella. Okay, here's our little doggy. Ready for her Halloween party. What do you think? She's even got her black cat bow. I wanted to make it look like Bella.